by different kinds of, by different ways, through a different manner, through a different channels, okay? This channel, path or a way can be called as a what? As a communication media. Hello everyone, how are you? You're good? This is me, Tamar Leje YouTube channel. In this video, in our today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about communication media. Before that, all of you, if you are a newcomer for this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for your friends. So let us pass into our today's lesson. So our today's topic is about what? About communication media. So in this weekend, we are already start networking lesson, basic of networking. So like this, you're gonna to continue to part 10. So patiently, all of you be with me. I'm sure you're going to take some important thing from these networking parts. So before going into further, what is communication media? Let us get into communication media. So communication media is a path or channel through data or information is travel between connected device over the networks. Come again. Communication media is what? Communication media is a path or is a channel or is a way through data or information is travel through what? Through connected device over a network. That means there are too many devices collecting together through one umbrella. That's called a network. And in that network, there is a transfer of information. There is a travel of information. That data and the information can pass through by different kinds of, by different ways, through a different manner, through a different channels, okay? This channel, path or a way can be called as a what? As a communication media. Is it clear for you? So this simply, communication media is a medium. Communication media is a carrier of data transmission from one place to another. It carries the data to what? To transfer from one end device to other end devices. So there are different kinds of communication media. The first one is wired communication media. There are 3 cables there. The first one is twisted pair cable. The second one is coaxial cable. The third one is fiber optic cable. From 3 of them, the most and the cables we are using right now is the best one. Also, it's called fiber optic cables. Coaxial cable is sometimes used for what? When you are working for LAN and for telephone, you are using coaxial twisted pair cables. But for coaxial cable for TV and the CCTV, to connect TV and the CCTV. But the third one, fiber optic cable, what? To access high internet speed, because it use what? It use lights. Okay, this is 3 types of cable we are using in wire communication media. Secondly, let us pass into the communication media as we that did use wireless communication media. So this wireless communication media that transmit data through the air by the use of electromagnetic wave. So these are totally there are 4 kind of this wireless communication media. The first one is infrared. Okay, infrared is wireless communication media that used in for TV remotes. Okay, so and the satellites communication is used for what? For GPS. Okay, GPS is working through what? Through satellites. And also microwave is there. Microwave is work for what? For mobile network. For mobile network, and also there is radio wave. So these are all about our communication media lessons for today's lesson. Let